looking for more stages to speak on? Hi, I'm Arvee Robinson. I'm the Master Speaker Trainer, international speaker, and author. And let me tell you, one of the biggest questions that I get is, how do I get on other people's stages? So I want to share this with you. Promoters like myself that put on events, we love to add people to our stages, but there's a certain etiquette that is involved in how you ask to be on somebody's stage. So I'm going to give you 5 ways that you can be on other people's stages without being obnoxious and even get them to invite you. How cool is that? Say, that's cool. So number 1, if you want to get on somebody else's stage, on somebody else's platform, the wrong way to do it is to just come out and ask them, can I be on your stage? I mean, it's just rude. Maybe they know you, maybe they don't know you, but I get asked that a lot. And most of the time, I don't know the person. I've never heard them speak. They've never came to me for training. So I don't know why they would think that I would just automatically put them on my stage. So yes, it's good to ask, but that's not a good question to ask. But first, let me share with you some ways that you can get on somebody's stage gracefully. Number 1, have you been to their event, right? Have you even visited and been to their event and supported them by attending the event, the very event that you are asking to be on that stage? So that's number 1. You must attend the event. Number 2, be of service. Be of service. Become a volunteer for their event. Get to know their event. Get to know them. Be of service. Number 3, sponsor the event. Give them a little money. Sponsor the event. Support them that way. And number 4 is actually to get people there. I mean, that is the number 1 way that you can get on somebody else's stage. Bring people. Bring people. If somebody brought 10 or 20 people to my event, you better believe they would get stage time. That time immediately, and probably other time in the future. So bring people to the event. You know friends, you have friends, right? Bring them to the event, have them, even if you ask to go for free. Promoters like myself love to have audiences. We love to have new people in our audiences that don't know us. So that's a real key to getting into the event. So that's 4 ways that you can get people to get you on your stage, or get them. That's how you can get on their stage without being obnoxious. And also the 5th way and final way is, if you put on an event and you want to have people speak on your stage, you can always do a stage swap. So if someone wants to speak on your stage, you ask them if you can speak on their stage. And as long as it's equal amount of people, equal amount of audience, then they'll say yes. Or maybe you can negotiate if they have smaller audiences and ask to be on 2 of their stages for 1 of yours. It works. Be creative, but first, offer something yourself before you just come out right out and ask somebody if you can speak on their stage. So thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate that. Tune in next time for more public speaking tips. Bye for now.